This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Brokers.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with a JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, glad to be here.
Now, we are into October now, and
Right.
starting the fourth quarter, kicking off the last quarter. Starting out today, can you give our viewers some update on the market and what mortgage rates are doing right now?
Well, you know, it's really been an interesting year as far as mortgage rates go, but we're back in those low historical territory. You know, throughout mid-year we saw a little bit of rise in mortgage rates, but they've settled back out, and speculation is we're going to probably hold out right here, at least through election and through the remainder of this year, maybe even early into next year. So that presents a lot of opportunity, still good opportunity and time to buy with rates being as low as they are. You know, we talk about historical rates being this low, but we also want to talk about and compare it to the historical rates on average. You know, 6, 7, and 8% is what we've seen over the past couple of decades. So being at a 3, 3.5, even 4 puts you about half what the interest cost is. So a long term over a 30-year term or even a 15-year term, that's just thousands and thousands of dollars of savings. So from a buying standpoint, with rates as low as they are, it's about as good as it gets.
What about refinancing? Are there still opportunities for consumers to take advantage of that?
Absolutely. We're still seeing a lot of activity there when people are shortening their term up from a 30-year down to a 20-year or even a 10-year or 15-year in some cases, saving a lot of interest by doing that, and then also saving a lot of time as far as taking to pay it off. You know, the ability to pay a mortgage off in 15 years and have maybe the same payment you would have if you're at 4, 5, 6% rate, having the same payment and being able to cut it out in half the time is just huge from a psychological standpoint and also from a financial standpoint and the interest that you'll save by doing that.
What about cash out or debt consolidation?
Yep. I mean, you know, people look at, as they're trying to make major purchases or do a renovation, they're looking for options to try to refinance. And with rates being low, again, it's a great time to do that. You know, in a lot of cases with rates this low, you can take and cash out the equity that you have in your home to do those renovations with versus doing some kind of a second mortgage or home equity line of credit that sometimes can have a variable product in it. So when you get in there long term on a fixed rate in the mid 3s to low 4s, then a lot of times it makes more sense to access it that way and just have one mortgage versus 2.
We're coming up on the holiday season, but I guess there's still plenty of time for people to purchase the new home.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, our average loan's about 3 to 4 weeks from application to close. So, yeah, if you're thinking about doing that and want to try to get in before the holidays, there is opportunity to do that and take advantage of the rates again while they're down.
We are out of time for this week, but I want to take the time to congratulate you being voted the best mortgage company again in 2016.
Yeah, thank you for doing that. We're excited about that, and we think our community has the confidence in us to vote for us in that way. But we love what we do, and it's we just appreciate the community so much, and we love the opportunity to help you. Yeah.
Good advice as usual, and of course if you want more information, you can call them at 329-9090 or visit their website at jts-co.com. Jeff, good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
See you next week.
Thank you.
All right, we'll take a break, come back with more.